Hey, it's Matt with American Powertrain. Got a little tech video for you today. We're going to show you how to fix your shifter if you get the transmission new out of a box and notice that it won't shift, it's stuck. We're going to show you how to fix it. Check it out. Okay, so you just got your transmission and you open up the box and you noticed it won't shift. What's going on here? So this is pretty easy to fix. So these ship from TREMEC in the neutral position, and sometimes when they get jostled around in shipping, the shift lugs in here can get knocked out of alignment. Let me show you. So you've got 4 torque bolts here. They're T27. Take those off. Take this cover off. Be careful with the cover because you do have a paper gasket here. And you'll notice this left rail is up higher than the right rail. And in neutral, these should be straight across, lined up together. So all you got to do, take a big flathead screwdriver or a small pry bar and take your time, be very gentle, and just pop it back. Pretty simple. Same thing applies if this rail is pushed up or pushed back. You either push it forward or knock it back. Either way. And now it shifts no problem. So it's a pretty easy fix. It's not an easy fix if you notice it's not shifting after you installed it. So we always recommend to check it as soon as you get it. As soon as you open up the box, make sure it shifts, because this is a lot easier to do here than under the car. Trust me, I know from experience. So if you have any more questions, just give us a call and we can help you get through this, or check us out at AmericanPowertrain.com for more information. We'll see you guys.